no semeli kwa no mwanjumuria ndonse soberete na ni wendete gutwara ritiko ligiya hanenekero ritiko lya Jumamosi tariki 5 umutenyino y'ikomi umwaka w'2022 nande nigo cyaragire kinse ikomi cyabona marababa cyengo gwariya ne SMS ito ya mangana maya elinko erena go sansamanana nakitwanya ritoko yasangirira kurumocha iriya nyisuguzu amo nabosongo no kuburirwa na ikaranza kuzira libagali ya ulia bene ndonya ro kumanyana ali alitwa korenda SMS ye kinse chi ikomi yana naboko no tubwadi asensemo ye mitandao Facebook tonyare Ndizi TV News digital kwa asensemo ya YouTube naboko tonyora Ndizi TV News yonya jingaki naboko to tweet ati Ndizi TV News wa kerengali kyao kirabotambe kirenza nigo tukiarende kira adaka wetira sinamba ira siskini egurabu naboko tutomera uchumbe yao totote kerengali kyao andonzi asoto bwati dikorwa Eliane Brighton Makoli. Ayo jinsa ikomini gonya jaka kurwa se wodi ya Masige East yegotoka se bunge ya basi asebono mwe msie bwe wodi yo Mikaeli Motume amo no mwe msio mojole anene uli okurwa senseme yudamali sinyancho kabona banyalde bakobole serikali ye county ya Kisii yekora wano mugabana Paulo Simbarati koligereri enyagitari ya Kionyo eyibono etaragachwa ase myaka 10 goikabono kurengana barabo ewatebina ogotagachwa kwenyagitari uko nigo kwairero bokorari bobe as chinsemo chinyagitari asenseme yu ya Masige East.
We are at Kionyo Health Facility. We have found that the building that is supposed to house wards and other services here is in a bad shape. It has stayed still for the last 10 years. We are appealing to His Excellency, our Governor, my brother Simba. You have told us to work. And from Masige East, my appeal to you is, of the many appeals I'm making, this is also one of the urgent and very important appeal that I'm making to you. Please, this building soon it will collapse. I am sure a lot of millions have been spent here. The best we can do is to at least have a roof over this house so that the rains that are so much here in Kisii do not damage this facility further.
There's a workload in the heritage facility. Most patients, they come. There's no beds even for admission. This building has been more than 10 years here. Where we are standing, we are even fearing that it might fall on us. It is our cry, and even from the society, and even the heritage workers who are in this hospital, it's our cry that you do something to our people.
Abakenya bali bamyeta se chinze chisko nigo bono banyalire bakoboliwa na gosegetobuna banyale bagokonya inka anene chiskuru aho kolengana na Meren Mbogo oyoro yomo bwabali banyalire bagokonya chiskuru anene ase county ya Nyamira yobana tabirina nerebuya bali bamyeta chisko chaka na okonya chiskuru anekra dena chiskuru nigo chire chimbe gose chitabwati amaga chara maya gose bintu biri bagotumia ya chiskuru ekyo kaokwana se skuru yoboroso ya manga anekranya tega kwenana ebintu gocha saborokiwa bali bachokora matemu nigatebina nerebuya aborokiwa gosirwa asumwa monene bwe skuru eyo France Omanga anyarde kagotogi obokonyo obo herani anyarde gakorwa sensemeyo.
And all I'm asking, please, anyone that is abroad, anybody that has gone through this school, I will ask you to come back and help your community and help your school, because that school is very important. It's what made you what you are. And then I realized that this timing was the right timing to come here, because there's exams coming up for standard 6, class 6 and 8. So I wanted to come and motivate them to make sure they work hard and they pass, because their results have been improving since I started helping.
The challenge that we are having in this school, in fact, there are very many. Like now, the fencing itself, it is not secure. We are supposed to have a gate that is lockable. And another challenge that we are having, the economically, the parents are low. So in terms of supporting the school financially, it becomes a problem, and most of the learners at times, they lack the chance of attending all the lessons. That is another challenge for the pupils. And in fact, even some parents, they are not supporting their children.
Abanyanyimbo kurwa sensemo ya Kajiado ni gobono banyarire bakuyasari na kuyasamba maru atanjeri asensemeyo asebono barurege kurege tindi anerego cya sabasa ase ubutumeki bwa mariogo yogo tindi ase ensemeyo bakwana ni gobono banyarire batebuna marwayu atanjeri ni gobanyorete kemonyo kurwa sabamenyi bensemeyo ende bakanyanari kwegasibanya bikiro murero na gosemya abantu batigi gutumeka mariogo hanene ali arengete kubaita asensemeyo.
Mahali tumekuja kuharibu pombe haramu ambayo tulikamata juzi. Tumekamata pombe boxes 82, kila box ikiwa na chupa 20, yote ni mashupa 1640 pombe haramu ambayo ilipatikana watu wakija kuuza hapa mtaani Rongai, na polisi walipopata tip off kutoka kwa wananchi, yule aliyekuwa naye aliweza kuiabandon mahali alikuwa ameshukisha na akakimbia na gari na hakuweza kushikwa. Jambo lilopo ni kwamba kama kamati ya wilaya ya usalama tulipashwa habari na tukakuja mara moja, na tumeshuhudia kwamba hiyo pombe ni zile pombe ambazo zimekatazwa, pombe haramu zile tunaita second generation, na hii pombe ilikuja kuuziwa watu wetu ingekuwa na madhara makubwa sana, kwa sababu tumeona sehemu zingine za nchi mahali ambako pombe imedhuru wananchi, imedhuru vijana, hata wengine wamepofuka macho, wengine hata wamepoteza uhai, na ni Mungu tu kwamba hizo pombe hazikuweza kufika kwa maduka, na kwa sababu tumeweza kuzinasa kwa wakati ufaao.
Ningependa kusema kwamba kwa mkia juzi tarehe 18 mwezi wa 9 tuliweza kupata habari kutoka kwa wananchi wa hii area ambaye kuna pombe ambayo wana suspect ambaye sio pombe haramu, pombe ambayo sio mzuri kwa kutumika kuuzwa kwa wananchi. Askari yetu waliweza kukimbia hapo mara moja, tuweza kunasa hiyo pombe na mwenyewe akatoroka. So tunashukuru wananchi kwa ile habari mlitupasa kwa haraka. Pia tunataka pia tushirikiane pamoja kabisa, kwa sababu hii pombe iko na madhara zake. Inaweza kufanya watu wakuwe blind, na hata inaweza fanya vifo za watu ambaye ni kwa youth ambao wanatumia pombe sana.
Enzemo ya warai kurwa se county ya West Pokot ni gobono banyarire bakomoja osekero banyarire batabuna ensemeyo abantu kurwa ensemeyo imbaranyora mabaga ya ase serikali anekere serikali ya Kenya Kwanza gendete gujuria mabaga ayabali bawochuko kore mirimo ase serikali yo ya Kenya Kwanza bakwana ni batebiruna barabumbarara bakwewe birogo segetari ya serikali anekera marieta anyarete ga kubwato kwa asibali babete shortlisted ya sugo chikoba osekuira mabaga ya principal secretaries ime yenso enseito ya Kenya bakuboria abantu batebiruna nabarabumbatakire kurigereriwa inabarabukonyora mabaga ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
Wale ambao wamekuwa shortlisted kuhudhuria zile interviews za principal secretaries, na tulistuka sana na tukashangaa kuona kwamba county ya West Pokot ilipewa watu wawili ambao wataenda kufanya interview. Yule ambaye amekuwa principal secretary hapo nyuma, ambaye yako principal secretary sasa, na mwingine ambaye hatujui, na wale wote ambao walikuwa wametuma maombi ili waweze kupewa nafasi ya kuhojiwa, wote walifungiwa nje. Na ninaamini ya kwamba zaidi ya watu 20 kutoka kaunti ya West Pokot walituma maombi ya kutaka kuhojiwa ili wawe makatibu katika wizara za serikali. Lakini sasa kama watu wa West Pokot tunashangaa sana.
No nyumura ibwense Dr. William Ruto rwetogo chika bunobo korari ibwe port ya Mombasa buiranirire emirimo yabo kurwa sensemeri ya Naivasha ni gobone kiombe ya Kenya International Freight and Warehouse Association kanyarire kegotabuna para imbaroro bagendete gutanga umurubiro witokorekana sensemeri ya Mombasa bakwana ni gobono batebire gosebanyari bakubori bari bagutanga umurubiro gokorekana sensemeri ya Mombasa kwerusyororo na komwa maskani umuraibwense usogochika umuraibwense arwete iriyo bokorari bonyare bokwirana aseboti ya Mombasa.
APA and any other stakeholder be restrained, particularly the shipping lines, from introducing any new changes for cargo nominations by importers as directed by the President, whether the nomination is done at the port of loading or here at the port of destination. Last, and this is very important, those people with the audacity to defy the directive by the president, who is the commander-in-chief of the Defense Forces of Kenya. The authority bestowed in that office is by Kenyans who voted for him. So, we want to request His Excellency the President to form a task force to investigate and make recommendations on how to manage and make the port of Mombasa more affordable, efficient and competitive, because as it is now, the port is being held hostage by those currently defying and disobeying his orders.
Omonogeri bwe Senator Amason King ni gobono nyarire koboria chi county awawo nabagavana gojikwene kwene meroberi nko korwere buya nago koro mojando wabantu bari kire ose umubarori bwabange babantu bari kire batari gukora emirimo anasomuru bakanyemuriro bamanyagarante na ghost workers kawkwana aburitko rigorane ne karaikiranete asoko igora ama egeri ogochi asabano gari bechibunge Chionsi ya sense yitu ya gosi jibunge Chech County igaterana Senate ne chikubaterana ne County erigo goikerania obokoreri asense ya Kenya.
Proposed amendment bill for the establishment of the County Assembly's Forum CAF has in the past been discussed with the Senate Committee on Devolution and Intergovernmental Relations. Nonetheless, the process hit a dead end. I want to give an undertaking that I will consult my team of experts and the relevant committees with a view to prompting further conversation in the 4th Senate on this pertinent matter so that we get a clear way forward. Similarly, county assemblies have repeatedly raised concern that the Senate previously sanctioned counties for paying subscriptions to CAF, despite the significant role it plays in coordinating affairs of counties, supporting their capacity development, and fostering intergovernmental relations.
Ayuna rona kware ya sijinse jikomi korendi nyorona ge koragense yemo ya bon maroba ninchi ko basemese mangana maya herin ko manyina ya tonta ko sangrelia korume na isko ya Gusii kora mangana maya yense yemo karoji ko koragense yemo nenus ninchi ko kwira ko ikasomorobelia moroberio ko chakarit ko lero aneno moroberio mai kanete na obosera bwenka asirit ko lero torachi ko manya enkaningi igona goteruna to kora mangana maya yense yemo ya bon maroba Kikoragense ya monenus to nichiko kwero ikasomoroberi bobosera bwenka editoriali tomanyimna enkaniki gobwate tariki lituko lialero kochaka toro moroberio ibene karongo konyoretera kikoragense ya monenus magana koreteire amangana maya yense yemo ya bono marogoba igobwate tariki kaba monainto endra kutobwate asense media metanda Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital oiga sense media YouTube na bogo tonyora Ndizi TV News onya chingaki kendra kuto tweet @Ndizi TV News yakerengal kyao endra ko gituma gwetera sinamba igera screen ya igura we twabwaterana kwene kuna amariogine chibichago chira senjera yabene betronira mukera na ncheriane mbra